Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we are talking about how to merge Fortnite accounts in 2025, and I'll guide you step by step to combine your progress, skins, and V-Bucks safely. Step 1. Open a web browser and search for Epic Games login. Then sign into your Epic Games account using your email or a connected service. Once logged in, go to your account settings by clicking the player icon in the top right corner, because this is where all linking options are managed. Step 2. From the account page, scroll down the left sidebar and select to link accounts to view all available platform connections. This section is important because it shows where you can link Fortnite for cross-progression on PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Steam, and other supported platforms. Step 3. Click Connect next to the platform you want to link. Sign in to that platform if prompted and confirm the connection. When the process is successful, you will see a confirmation message showing the account is connected, meaning your progress and cosmetics will sync across devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Fortnite and tech tutorials.